This is Jim Emter of Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota, with the closing grain and livestock comments for June 25th, 2020. Corn market today down 7 cents, soybeans down 1.5, Chicago wheat up 5.5, Minneapolis down 5 1/4, Kansas City down 1.5. Really just kind of a hodgepodge of lack of information. Lack of information usually is the bear information. And then when you throw a little good precip forecast models in there, along with uncertainty over COVID-19, U.S.-China trade development, it just keeps a negative edge and keeps buyers at bay here, at least at this juncture. Next week, Tuesday, we do have a USDA crop report that'll really set the tone of directions. We've seen no private sales the last couple days. Export sales were okay. I mean, we don't need to see big weekly sales anymore as we enter the last quarter of market year. But again, just really needing a catalyst and really lacking to get that has allowed these markets to threaten to break down, and in the corn's sake, break down here to some degree now. Weather will be of the utmost importance here as we work ahead, along with some of these other variables like COVID-19 and its impact to travel, as well as U.S.-China trade developments. But until we see something tangible, it's going to be tough to really move here to the top side. And that's what we're seeing. We had markets last week on the verge of breaking out, and immediately we broke down. And the thing is, we go up on an escalator, down in an elevator, and that's exactly what we've seen here. Feeder cattle up 37.5, live cattle up 87.5. Hog market up $1. So we saw the front end markets really move firmer here. If we can see some cash undertones, improvement in cutouts, and good export and domestic demand, we can start to see those markets put it together. But that's the big question mark. What's the domestic demand going to be like here in cattle? We've still got backed up numbers that still need to work through these systems. We have seen a little bit of help here and there in regards to a cold storage for hogs, and in the cattle market really haven't seen much help out of the cattle on feed numbers. But hog and pig report this afternoon, and we'll watch for direction as we work out of that. This has been Jim Emter of Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota. Traded in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon.